It feels like a nice fish, guys. Oh, come here, baby. I just got slammed. Oh, that's a good one. That's awesome. What's going on, guys? My name's Caleb Sessions. Welcome to the channel. Quite a few of y'all probably recognize me from Justin's channel, Bottom Lane Outdoors. And for all of y'all that are not aware of this channel, y'all be sure to go check it out. I'll leave the link in the description. Me and Justin have been on quite a few trips, camping trips, fishing trips, hunting trips even. We've had a lot of memories together, and I finally decided that it's time for me to maybe, create this channel and to prevent content for you guys as well. But right now, it is 5:30 in the morning. Now I'm about to load up this kayak in the back of the truck. We're gonna head to a pretty juicy lake. I've been fishing the past few mornings. Only downside is it's been about 100 degrees every day for the past 2 weeks. But what we're gonna do is we're gonna try to get on some good, frog bite, frog fish, maybe fish a big worm, jigs. I'm just gonna have the chest cam on and try to provide some good content for you guys today. But right now, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna throw the kayak in the back of the truck, and I'll see y'all at the lake. Guys, we are here, and I just unloaded the kayak out the back of the truck, got it all set up, got the rods, got the tripod. Might get a couple angles with that today. As you can see, the sun is coming up right over there. It's about 5:50 right now. Now I got a long drag. I got to drag through those trees right there. So what I'm about to do is I'm about to switch to the GoPro in 3, 2, 1. Alright, got the boat loaded in. I swear, next purchase I'm making for this kayak is some wheels, because that drag can tire you out in a heartbeat. I'm already breaking a sweat and I haven't even gotten in yet. But, got it in the water. Lake's looking good. The sun's just now coming up and it looks like perfect time for some frog fish. What I think I'm going to do is I'm going to start over here first and then just work my way around the lake throughout the day. So y'all stay tuned. Like I said, I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to start over here in this far corner. There's actually a spillway over here with a levee. So this is the deepest part of the lake over here. With it being 100 degrees the past 2 weeks, I feel like a lot of these fish are going to be hanging out over here. There's some structure, a little bit of vegetation, not too much. But we'll see what we can catch, and I'll keep y'all posted. Instead of fishing a frog right now, I already had this tied on. This is a live target shad imitation. Justin used this at Calling Panther last year when we were fishing for them schooling fish. And I feel like it'll do some good this morning in this sparse grass. Like I said, there's not too much vegetation out here. No lily pads or anything, just little grass coming off the bank. But like I said, there is a couple stumps that this shad bait should work at. So No action on the shad bait. I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to switch over to a jig. That's what we've been catching them on the past couple days. What I'm going to do is I'm about to just fish these stumps out. Shad bait was not doing the best. I don't know if this water is just too hot for these fish to come up or what, but I'm about to fish deep by these stumps, see if I can't pull a couple off and go from there. Alright guys, just tied on another jig, lost the black and blue one, and now I've just ended up tying on this purple and black one with a black and blue packer crawl on there. So let's get back to fishing. I just got slammed. Oh, that's a good one. Knocked the GoPro out of the way. Ooh, let's back off this waterfall. I just got slammed. Not a big fish, but caught it on that black and purple jig. I accidentally knocked the GoPro out of the way on the hook set, but there's first fish, about a pound, real skinny. But we'll get him back and get back in this waterfall. This waterfall looks juicy. It feels like a nice fish, guys. Oh, come here, baby. That's a nice fish. Yes, baby. Look at that, guys. Choked the jig. Not as big as I thought, but that is a fish, and they are fun to catch. Look at that. That's awesome. That never gets old, guys. Right there on that point. Let's get back out here and see if there's some more. Pretty sure there is. There's a slight wind blowing around that point right there. And hopefully there's a few fish stacked that I can catch. We're about to find out. Let's get back in there. Oh my gosh, guys. I don't know if you just saw that, but a big bass just busted on what I guess some bluegill up on the bank right there in that grass. I'm gonna throw that little shad imitation that I was throwing earlier this morning in there and see if I can't get him to bust on it. That looked like a nice fish. I don't know how good the GoPro got it, but let's see. Oh my gosh, guys. I don't know if y'all are seeing this, but there's bass all in here chasing these brim. I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to tie on a little fluke to throw around through here. Alright guys, got that minnow tied on another rod. This is what I'm going to be using. This is just a little young minnow, about 3.5, 4 inches long. We'll see if we can get some of these bass that are busting on these bluegill. Hopefully we can. Maybe this is a game changer, because I've seen probably 4 or 5 decent bass in the last 20 minutes or so busting on these brim along these wooden walls. So I'm going to give it a try and see what happens. What's going on, guys? I'm finally off the water. Fishing was real tough today. I only caught 2 bass. I think I had 4 bites total. But that's just how it is when the sun's high and it's, you know, mid-July like it is. Fishing can be real tough. Sometimes you catch a lot, sometimes you don't. But finally got the kayak back on land. Now for the fun part, I got to undo everything and drag it about 100 yards that way to the truck. But I hope you guys really enjoyed my first video. I really enjoyed making it for y'all. Hopefully I'll be able to make another one here in the next few days and maybe catch some more fish. I know this video I didn't get a lot of fish catches to y'all, but like I said, it's just sometimes it's like that, sometimes it's not. Today was just one of those days where it was tough, but I did work hard for the 2 fish I did catch. But yeah, like I said, I'm gonna go ahead and load this bad boy up in the truck and let's roll the outro. Thank you for watching.